Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I have this pretty bomb twist out right now. Can you see all this definition, this body, this shine, how big it is, how much it shakes and moves? It's like full of life. It's like everything. Look at me. Look at me. Y'all wanna know what I used? So what I used. This is my first time ever using this product. This is BodyWorks Natural Curl Defining Cream, and this is the Coconut Shea, or they say Cocoa Shea Curl Defining Cream. It is clearly the bomb. So if you like this twist out, if you want to see my first impressions of this, then please stay tuned. Make sure that you don't forget to press the subscribe button while you're here. Push that notification bell so you don't miss any uploads from LucilleBatiste. Make sure you leave a comment below. Have you tried BodyWorks products before? If you have, what have you tried? Do you want to try them? Like, let's have a discussion. Let's talk about this. The definition is crazy, but it's still like it's elongated. Like there's not a whole bunch of, like, it's an elongated, like, what? I did try to stretch my hair some with the twist still in, so maybe that is what helped. I worked out with my hair in these twists. before I took them down just now. So it's clearly the bomb. You guys see the results here. Like, there's not much else to, I mean, the proof is in the pudding, right? The proof is in the pudding. Yeah, just a straight 3-strand twist out gave me so much definition, so much body. I just like have been fluffing it and shaking my hair just to get it like as big as I want. But yeah, day 1 of this takedown is great. I've had my twists in for about 2 or 3 days because I worked out in them and everything. I use the Jojoba and Manoi Deep Conditioner by BodyWorks as well, and use their co-wash to wash my hair. The Coconut Shea co-wash to wash my hair. So I did an all BodyWorks look right here. So this is all BodyWorks right here, and I love it. Like, I love the way my hair looks right now. It's elongated, but it's still super defined. It's still big. You know, these are the things that I look for. These are the things that I look for, guys. So yeah. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, love bugs.